And then we also see, right, a number of disruptive technologies emerging, every day, right? And this is hopefully many of you have heard of the FinTech program. And we work with a number of leading banks on a global basis. We have instances in London, in Hong Kong, in New York, where a number of small, emerging, interesting startup companies come together with the big established players to pilot new ideas and generate new solutions inside the banks, as opposed to right in the labs of Silicon Valley. Eurodyne do a fantastic job inside your own organization, helping the compliance entity identify those people that are most likely to continue to operate outside of policy. People that turn in expense reports late, people that have high absentee rates, people that for other unstructured data and information inside the four walls of the company, right, give patterns, right, that mean they're a high risk for normal compliance. Doesn't mean they're bad people. It just means let's watch them a bit more carefully than the person, right, who's always there, right, and follows the guidelines. Or there are companies like Digital Shadows, right, from a fraud perspective, that actually build up, right, a picture, right, of you as an individual or of small companies, right, around their activities, in the web. And so when you're taking a decision around a credit loan, right, or offering them a particular product, of course you've got your scores and you've got your own heritage, but what are all the other things that these people are involved in, and how do we build up that shadow or footprint that they've been operating in? And so for things like trade surveillance, for fraud, for the emerging cyber threat, which one of the gentlemen spoke about last night, I mean, these are all areas where new solutions are emerging, and a number of you as organizations, right, are starting to play with these companies inside their four walls, share those learnings, and evolve the models of how you operate.